Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can draw a line in your Google Sheets spreadsheets or documents really quickly without adding it from, for example, from external photo or graphic designing software. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. It is very simple, guys. Head over to your spreadsheet on Google Sheets and start by clicking on Insert here at the top, and from the drop-down menu, select Drawing here. And what you want to do, guys, you may, for example, draw these lines by hand if you like, using your mouse, like on Paint, for example. All you will need to do is, for example, click on that arrow down like here next to line and select your preferred line, like a normal line, arrow, an elbow connector, curved line, or scribble if you'd like to use, I don't know, your mouse to draw a line like this here, for example, manually, freehand, like that. So let me delete that really quickly and select instead an arrow or a straight line like this. So left click where you'd like to place the line and hold left shift to stabilize the line, just like that. Or if you like to have your line, let's say a slight degree, like 30 degrees, like that, just release your mouse here. And that's basically it. Once you're done, guys, you may, for example, customize your line by, for example, clicking on that button here to change its color to orange or to red, for example. You may also adjust its thickness here, for example, by switching to, I don't know, 2px or 8px and so on and so forth. So now I added 2 lines. Okay, so you can, for example, move the line around here freely with your left mouse, adjust its position, its size, and so on and so forth. So guys, once that's done, simply click on Save and Close here. That is going to add these 2 lines to your document now. Here you can, of course, move your added graphs along or around freely, as you can see, and adjust their position. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.